classroom coming up. And we have our second classroom here. This is the third one. Am I right? This is the third one. Okay, we have offices. This is our staff room coming up. And we have offices right here. The first office and the second office. And we have the toilet up there. We are so grateful. How many days will they accomplish this? 3 days. Sure. Are you speaking the truth? Okay, 3 days. This will be done. Okay, thank you so much, ma'am. Be blessed. Hi. So, ma'am, today I want to show you our classrooms. This is the first classroom with 2 windows. 1, 2. And then this side also, in front also we have 2 windows. 1, 2. So this is the door right here. We are going to have the door, window and a window. And then we have the second classroom. The second classroom, we have 1 window, that one, and the second one. This is another window, and this is another window. So this is the main door. So that is the second classroom. The third classroom here. So we have this is the first window, the second window. And then we have another window in front here. And then we have, that is the window and the door. So this is the window, this is the door. So that is our third classroom. So we have, oh wow. So right here, this is the reception and the window, only 1 window, reception. And then we have the staff room right here. This is the staff room where teachers will be having their meetings. And we have, that is the window. And this is the window for the staff room. We are having only 2 windows. That one and this one right here. So we have another, so the office is here. can I get in? So this is the office right here. We have the office. So this is the office. The office has only one window. And then we have the bathroom right here. This is the bathroom with a small window. The first small window that you always ask me. This is the small window, and this is the bathroom, and this is the office. This room is the office. We have the big window in front. And then we have the stove. We have the stove right here where we're going to put our books. So this is the stove and the small window. So thank you. Bye. Giving you praises for who you are, God. We thank you for this part, Jesus. We thank you for the provision. We thank you for all the learners. We thank you for all the teachers, all the workers around this compound. God, we thank you for all our sponsors. We thank you for all the voluntary. God, it is on you. We lack us to express our joy, but everything works good for those ones who love you. We dedicate this year 2025 unto your able hands. May you continue standing with us. May you continue opening so many doors unto us. May you stand with us in each and everything. May you take away all the sicknesses that may come on this year, God. May you bring your success into this school. May we start with you, Jesus. May you walk with us through this journey, God. We thank you and we adore you. And we know that without you, we are just nothing. With you, all things are possible. We've seen a lot of wonderful things you've done to us throughout the last year. And we know that, God, you're going to do marvelous things unto this year. Even the visitors that are coming, God, may you just come with them. May you just protect them. May you give them finances, God. May you continue opening so many doors unto them. When all the activities that will take place on this land, God, may your will be done. We commit this school unto you, God. You are the only one, God, that we know in our hearts, God. And everything that you do into this land, God, we honor your holy name for who you are. May you protect all the learners, their parents, God, the church members, God. We commit this community unto you. We need peace that comes from you all the time. We thank you and we adore you. There is none like you. May you go with us through this path because you are shield, you are our everything, our protector. As I leave this place, Jesus, may you walk with me, Tom, wherever we are going right now, God. May you just be with us when we step on this land tomorrow. Your name will be glorified for who you are. Protect all the teachers, pastor, and everyone who is just working so hard for this ministry. us. May you just stand with us. Give us peace. Give us conducive environment to work on this place according to your word, Jesus. In Jesus' name we pray. Amen. Thank you,